Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to maths class. In this class, we are going to see about cubes and cube root. Before start, the last class we have discussed square and square root. What is the definition of square and square root? Square means a number multiplying by itself is called a square number. Inverse form of the square is the square root. Okay. Then coming to our topic, cubes and cube roots. Cube and cube roots. A number multiplying by itself and itself again, the number is called a cube number. A number multiplying by itself and then again itself, the number is called a cube number. Okay. It means product of three identical numbers. That means n into n into n is equal to n cube. So consider a number n means the cube of ns and cube. Okay. Cube number is called a perfect cube and the natural numbers 1 and 8, 27, 64, 125, 216 and so on. The natural numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216 and so on. These all are cube numbers as well as the perfect cube numbers. Okay, these are the cube numbers. Then cube root. The inverse form of cube is cube root. A number x is denoted by the cube root of x means this line. Cube root of x. Cube root of x. This can be written as cube root of x. Okay. So if you decide the number to x means, suppose the number is 8 means the cube root of 8 can be right. Cube root of 8. Okay. This is a cube root. So already I told this is the cube root is the inverse form of cubes. That means cube root of 1 equal to 1 and cube root of 8 equal to 2. Then cube root of 27 equal to 3 as well as cube root of and so on. Cube root of thousands equal to 10 or 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cubes equal to 27 and so on. 10 cubes equal to 1000. This is the inverse form of cube root. Okay. Cube means if a number multiplied by itself and then itself again, the number is called a cube number. This is the definition. Have you understood? Okay. So next, another one note, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. So perfect cube, it has a cube, so definitely the number ends with multiples of 3 zeros. Does not end with 2 zeros. This is one property. Does not end with 2 zeros. The perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Then the second one, the two-digit number, cube of the two-digit number has 4 or 5 or 6 digits number exist. The cube of two-digit numbers have 4 or 5 or 6 digit numbers exist. For example, 11 cubes equal to 1331. So this is a two-digit cube number. Okay, this has 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Okay, so the maximum, the two-digit number exists 6-digit number. Two-digit number cube, maximum exists 6 digit. Okay, this is a two important notes. Okay, dear students, before start the exercise, giving some properties, important properties of cube of numbers. The first one is, so cube of even number is even. And cube of odd number is odd. First is cube of every even number is even. Then second one, cube of every odd number is odd. And third one, cube of positive number is positive, then cube of every negative number is negative. So when you get the positive cube value, so result is also positive. When the negative values exist the cube, we get negative answer. This is first 4. If a natural number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. If cube number also end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay. If a natural number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, its cube number also end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 respectively. Okay, next, if a natural number end with 2 and 8, then cube of the numbers end with 8 and 2. So number end with 2 means the cube number is 8. The number end with 8 means the cube number is 2. Okay, this is one of the property. If a natural number end with 3 and 7 means if a cube numbers end with 7 and 3, the cube number end with 3 means the cube values end with 7. If a number end with 7 means the cube number is end with 3. Okay. Next, the sum of the cube of n numbers is equal to sum of the square. Okay, square of the number. Sum of the cube of n numbers 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube. This is equal to the sum of the square. That means 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n the whole square. Okay, this is your formula. Okay. So simplification, summation n cube is equal to n square. Okay. Sum of n square. This is your formula. The exercise 1.5 is first question, fill in the blanks. First question, the ones digit in the cube of 73 is 73. The number end with 3 means the cube numbers end with 7. Is it done now? So now only I told the properties of cube numbers. Then the maximum number of digit in the cubes of 2-digit number. 2-digit number, maximum number of digit is 6. The 2-digit number have 4 or 5 or 6 digits. So the maximum digit is 6. Okay. Then the smallest number to be added to make it a perfect cube. So this number added by 42, 5, 7, 3, 3. So using prime factorization method, this is a cube number. So the smallest number is 42. Then the cube root of 540 into 50. The cube root of 540 into 50. This is right with us. Multiplying 5 4s are 22. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Then 2 zeros. Okay. The cube root of, the question is the cube root of this value. The cube root of this value is equal to this. What is the cube root of 27? The cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, 3 multiplying 3 times we get 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Then 3 zeros appear in the cube root. We get only 1 zero. So 30 is your answer. The cube root of 540 into 50 is equal to 30. Then the cube root of the decimal number is what? Then the cube root of decimal number. Write this number 4 9 1 3. Okay. The cube root of number. Okay. Next, consider the number of decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now we get this slide. So the decimal number can be written in the form of this slide. This is equal to 17 cube. You have to check 17 into 17 the value. Then 17 multiplying 3 times we get 4930 divided by, okay, so divided by, this is a cube root of. So cube root of value. The question is the cube root of the decimal number. The cube root of decimal number is, this is 17 cube. This is 3 3 So 3 0. So 1 cube is 1. Then 3 zeros 1 0. Then this 3 zeros 1 0. Then 3 zeros 1 0. So we get this line. The number divided by 1000. We making a 3 decimal places. 1, 2. So another one is 0. So 0.0. 0.017. 0.017 is your answer. Okay, have you understood? These all are from the properties. Okay, dear students, second question. Say true or false. Say true or false. The first question. The cube of 24 ends with the digit 4. The cube of 24 ends with the digit is 4. Okay, this is true because if a natural number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, it's also end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, so 4 end with 4. This is for true. From the properties of cube number. Okay, next. Second question. Subtracting 10 cube from this value gives 9 cube. Is it or not? Okay. Subtracting 10 cube from this value. So 1729 minus 10 cube equal to 9 cube. This is your question. Check. This is true or false. 1729 minus 10 cubes equal to 1000. Okay. So it's equal to 9 cubes equal to 729. So 1729 minus 1000, we get 729. This is equal to 700. Yes, it is true. Subtracting 10 cube from 1729 gives 9 cube. It is true. Okay. Then the cube of 0.0012 is 0.005 times of 0, 1728. This is true or false? Okay. The question is 0.0012 cube is this number. How to check? This is equal to 12. The integral part divided by 10,000. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of decimal is 4. So divided by 10,000 we get number of decimal 4. The whole cube is equal to 12 cube 1728 divided by 10,000 cube. The 4 zeros multiplying by 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, this is equal to this or not. To get 12 zeros, so making a 12 decimal places. So 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal is completed. The remaining all are gets 0. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then point. Okay, this is your answer. So before 1728, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Here only appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros only. So it is false. I understood the explanation. It is false. Okay. Then 79,570 is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Yes, it is true. Because the single zero, so the cube number does not end with single zero. So multiples of 3 zeros only exist the perfect cube number. So single zeros exist means this is not a perfect cube. So this is for contradiction. So this is not a perfect cube means true. The cube root of 2,50,047 is 63. Yes, it is true. Now have to check. 63 cube is equal to 63 into 63 into 63. Multiplying 63 into 63, this answer with the 63, we get this answer. This is your homework. Check. You have to check. Okay, dear students, third question. Show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. This is your question. The solution. Using prime factorization. Using prime factorization, 1944. So this is a even number. Select 2. This is not sufficient. So totally come back 19. This is 9. 2s are 18. Carry 1. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Then once again the even number using by 2. 4 2s are 8. Carry 1. 8 2s are 16. Carry 1. And 6 2s are 12. So once again next is the even number. So use the 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 243. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then they use 3 because they add numbers. So next option is 3. So this is 8 times of 8 3s are 24. Then 1 3s are 3. Then 3. 2 3s are 6. Carry 2. 7 3s are 27. And 3. So 9 3s are 27. And 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Therefore 1944 can be right 1 2 3 3 times of 2. 3 times of 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 5 times of 3 1 2 3 4 5. So this can be right as 2 power 3 into this is 3 power 3 into 3 power 2. So here the prime factor three do not have triplet. So this is not a triplet. Triplet value only exists a single value because of cube root, not a square. Cube root means 1 to triplet, 2 cube, 3 cube. So here also exists a 3 cube means it is perfect cube. So the prime factor 3 do not have triplet. Therefore the given number is not a perfect cube. Therefore the number 1944 is not a perfect cube. So hence proof. So that the question is this is not a perfect cube. This is your solution. Okay, dear student, today's homework, book page numbers 37 and 38. The 37 page. So we have a box. Box is the properties of cubes of numbers with example. This is your homework. Okay, read and write your test. Properties of cube of numbers. And below the page 37, you get a table 1 to 16. You have to write 1 to 20 cube numbers. So extra I want to find 4 numbers. The cube numbers 1 to 20 want to write the table. Next, page number 38, example 1.32. Okay. Thank you. God bless you.